Greetings to the crypto community. We are pseudo-anonymous. We are here to smash that like button. We believe this content needs to reach more people like you. We are watching. We are listening. Most importantly, we are liking and subscribing. We are pseudo-anonymous. Expect us.
Traders don't sleep, they chase the sun. With each tick, their hearts are one. Candlesticks and rhythm play. Where will profits soar today? I shop like a hawk in flight. Charts revealing day and night. Gamble here and take a stand. Fibonacci got my hand. Swing high, swing low. Tell me where price is gonna go. Swing low, low, swing high. Tell me where I need to buy. Fibonacci, show me the way. Numbers twist like a sacred tale. Riding waves on fortune sail. Up and down the markets roar. Fibonacci, what's in store? Trades like whispers in the storm. Patterns shift to brand new form. Bold predictions bright as day. Fibonacci, show the way. Swing high, swing low. Tell me where price is gonna go.
Let that cowbell.
Swing low, swing high. Tell me where I need to buy. Fibonacci, show me the way. Numbers twist like sacred tale. Riding waves on fortune sail. Up and down the markets roar. Fibonacci, what's in store? Trades like long. Swing low. Tell me where price is gonna go. Swing low, low, swing high. Tell me where I need to buy. Fibonacci, show me the way. Fibonacci, show me the way.
Gobble, gobble, said the turkey. Gobble, gobble.
I'm a crypto connoisseur, but I'm also a degenerate. Chasing shit coins with a reckless abandon. I'm a slave to the hype, a prisoner to the pump. I'm a gambler, a high roller, but I'm also a dump. I'm a master of the market, but I'm also a fool. I'm a chess player, but I'm also a pawn in a game that's cruel. I'm a trader, a speculator, a risk taker, a thief. I'm a crypto cowboy riding the Wild West with my eyes on the chief. I'm chasing shit coins with a reckless abandon. I'm a degenerate with a crypto obsession. I'm a slave to the hype, a prisoner to the pump. I'm a gambler, a high roller, but I'm also a dump. master of the art of buying and selling high. I'm a virtuoso of the crypto game, but I'm also a liar. I'm a magician with the wave of my hand. I'm a conjurer of wealth, but I'm also a thief in a land. I'm a kingpin of the crypto scene. I'm a mogul of the digital dream, but I'm also a pawn in a game that's rigged. I'm a player in a game that's fixed, and I'm getting jigged. I'm chasing shit coins with a reckless abandon. I'm a degenerate with a crypto obsession. I'm a slave to the hype, a prisoner to the pump. I'm a gambler, a high roller, but I'm also a dump. I'm a crypto junkie with a bad habit to break. I'm a slave to the high of the crypto make. I'm a degenerate with a problem to face. I'm a gambler with a losing pace. So if you see me with my eyes on the screen, don't be fooled by my hype, it's just a crypto dream. I'm chasing shit coins with a reckless delight, but I'm also a degenerate with a losing fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only Turkey, doing crypto chart analysis on a Friday evening, Eastern Standard Time, that we know to be in existence. This is cryptocurrency history, ladies and gentlemen.
You going to press that button, or are you going to just sit here and make everybody wait?
I'm not the button pusher, my man.
Well, you look like a button pusher. What are you trying to say? I'm saying you look like you need to be pushing a button right now. Sean? Yeah? What's up? Oh, crap. Gotta push a button.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome everyone to Late Night Crypto with Rota. There's a link in the chat there for the upcoming release here on Spotify and iTunes, and I think we're on even Amazon. I think we're on Amazon Music on Alexa now with the Don't Trip by the Dip. Try to get to my page here. Where is my page? I'm such a boomer. I don't know how to get to my page. Where's the new one? The new one. We just had it there. The new one's kind of a nice little grunge rock song. Anyway, we didn't come here for that. We came here for Bitcoin and altcoins. And how's it going, everybody? Glad to see you here. Welcome to the show. 24 people hanging out with me on a Friday night as we just sit here and watch Bitcoin continue on with the possibly forming this bottom pattern here. We're on the 1 hour time frame and watching this idea, this rounding go on. And she's been nice and got up as high as 98, right? A few hours ago, hanging around 97, dipping and a dapping, and in a nice little upward channel within all these other ideas here. And she could easily just come right back down and touch 95.8 again. I don't doubt that she probably will. And we can see as high as 100,000, maybe 101,000. Eventually, we'll be coming back up here to this 102,500 area. And that will, maybe if I can zoom out, you might even see it a little bit better. Maybe I can. We've got this little dingle dangle right here. This is the atom. I'll let you figure out why. And this is a possible E formation, a nice little rounding that goes on. It's an accumulation tactic where you got to slowly buy in and still kind of try and keep the sell levels down there. We're below the 4 hour 200 moving average, so we officially on this time frame are considered to be bearish, but it's also known to bounce off of these other bigger moving averages down here, like this one in the 600 area. Finding a nice little area for us to support this weekend. And this whole little musty, little moving average cloudy zone of support here. We also got this red trend line that we trace back to the last highs that we had in the last cycle. And this is where we are. It's respecting that line very well. And we're trying to form a bottoming type pattern on here. That's a groovy sign. If we zoom out on to the weekly time frame and just kind of track that, I'd like to see where we are with the 9 moving average here. And this chart's a little messy. You're a messy chart. Take a bath. Clean you up just oh, that was the dingle name. We just erased. I didn't mean to. Well, you probably fit into society now that you're dingle dangleless. It's probably okay. We are below the 9 moving average there, but we still got some more time to see what we're going to do here with this week. We got one more day, 21 hours left. Kind of sneak peek here on the 3-day and see what we're looking at. And gosh darn it, we're below the 9 and the 21 on the 3-day. We needs to respect this red line here. We have not closed a candle body above that red line yet on these bigger time frames, and that's kind of important to me. It's a step up from where we are back here, where we were testing a little bit. But we're in kind of a sideways channel here, and I do expect us. Our goal is to go for a higher high somewhere above this number here. That was our latest high, and we got to get higher than it. And I'm trying to help it all I can. Breathe it in, baby. Breathe it in. Go up there. Blah, blah, blah. Look at me. I ain't even got feathers. I'm telling it to fly. Okay, so that's not going to work, is it? What I do like about this on the 3-day is that the 9 moving average hasn't yet crossed over that 21, so there's a little bit of hopium. A little something we can put in our pipe and smoke it. What's he talking about? We're talking about crypto and how we're kind of starting to look nice, really, that we're finding support in this area. We're a little behind schedule, but it is the time of the season. We gotta keep reminding ourselves, because it felt like this back then too. During this shakeout, that was in the December. Oh shoot, I'm in last year. I'm talking about way back here. And this big shakeout here. Now, see, by the 14th, we were already on our way. We're lagging a little bit behind right now. First, we were just a wee bit ahead, and now we seem to be more just a wee bit behind. We're also above that 9 moving average. Oh, that was beautiful. Now, I know it doesn't seem like it right now, but we do have these days coming where we're going to get out of this rangy stuff, and we're going to have several, and a couple of weeks of just uppity upness. And it doesn't seem like much to go from 20 to 40,000 there, but that's 100% in one swift move there. Doesn't seem much now. We're used to it to go from 30,000 to 57,000, but that's a 93% move there. A little extra if you count the extra top-ins over here, and they were top-ins. Hard to recognize those as being top-ins because you get so much bullishness behind there. Everybody goes back poo crazy. Somebody's been drawing scuba divers. What is that? Oh, your mask. Oh. Is that a bird? Is that an eagle with sunglasses? It's an eagle in a ski mask. I see it. That's my keen pattern recognition right there, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So Bitcoin, this was the good old days. We respected that non-moving average. We respected it, and then we didn't. And now we're ranging. But those days are coming. This is part of that whole markup cycle that we got. And we're just right smack dab in the middle of it. It ain't over yet. We still got some more uppity-ness to go. We just now broke out of this big this red trend line that I've been looking at and marking about. Yeah, that's a channel. That's a channel. And channels have measured moves. And I'm just gonna come down and take it real quick. And you put that at the breakout, and it comes up to this area where we got some scribble. And so our target, what we're looking for, this breakout be true, should it hold, is right there. And that's a little more hopium. For those of you who need a little bit, breathe it in. Breathe it in, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. Let me say hello to everybody hanging out tonight while we look at the Altcoin chart over here on the daily. Look at this. On the daily, we're just up about 1-2%, but that's better than being down 10, ain't it? Yeah. You gotta be grateful for the good things, because things could always be worse. Things could always be worse. You gotta be grateful. Thank Jesus. Hello everybody, how are we doing? Welcome to the stream. Well, let me see if I can pull you down here and say hello to everybody. Make sure our microphone is on. My goodness, thank you. Sometimes it gets me. We got Avi Medina, we got Chris Klein. How are we doing, guys? Tommy 2 Liters, Floki's Angels. I love that comment. That comment is awesome. I'm always clapping about that one. It's clappity. That's a clap-worthy comment. Your comment gets the clap. Don't just give the clap to anybody. Yeah. This is that turkey clap. We got Tommy 2 Liters. Didn't you say that? I did say that. Stop repeating after me, Sean. You got Chris. We got Chris Clyde, Abby Medina, Strega Hart. How's it going, Strega? Duality, Crypto, Hulin, Electria. We got. See, they make this confusing for me. I get this box and it's grayed out from earlier. Hey dog, there's another music artist I think you should check out, Chandy 10 Music, very similar and has been around since last summer. Pretty baller as well. I can check that out. Well, thank you for the tips. Tommy 2 Liters, what's up? Cowbell Friday, it is, and I can help out a little bit with that. The most beautiful cowbell. This is like a 1940s or 50s cowbell or something. I don't know. So I'm told. It definitely sounds a lot different from what you find nowadays. It's got too much of a... It's more bell. Messy? Antonio says Crypto Junkie. What's on crypto? How's it going there, Sam? How's it going, Sam? Hulin, what's up? MG Motorsports? Kelly L. How we doing tonight, Kelly? You think alts are bleeding against Bitcoin right now? They've been bleeding against Bitcoin for a while. That's what's so bad about it. Why does this thing look so weird over here? What happened? What changed? Something changed over here. Oh! Somebody snap the turkey.
YouTube gurus sharking at every stop. Big for courses, learning zero stuff. Promised rockets, but my wallet went puff. Staring at charts, feeling like a fool. Every trade I made broke the...
No, I won't do it. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I've got a show to finish. And I'm back. The show must go on. Hey, there's Bug Pick. What's going on, Bug Pick?
Living for the moon, or so it seems.
Alvin Medina says, I don't like this howdy ho song. Sorry, just saying. Okay. Hey, I'm taking feedback here. Oh, how dare you? You're eating chicken? Luckily I'm a turkey. The Antelon Show, what's up? In a few hours, could you see Sol hitting 205? I think it should be headed up to about 218 from what I remember what we saw last night. Ron K says, Gadget could be a perfect storm. We're overdue for some big gains. Yeah, we are. They've been holding this market down, and it's not over. It's not really got started as good as it will, but the altcoins, I mean, they all don't go up at once. You'll see them pop off. There'll be like a popcorn season. This one will pop off, and you're like, oh man, I wish I'd been in that one. And what some people do is, well, I'm gonna sell out my losers and I'm gonna go in that one, and they'll start chasing it and everything, and then as soon as they do, it's like a few days later that the one that they just sold off pops up and it's its turn. And sometimes they start taking turns like that. It's like whack-a-mole on your portfolio. And if you got too many coins, you can't really see that's take advantage of it. You just see this number going up and it's cool in the process. But if you're not managing that with all the mighty coins that you accumulate, it can be a disadvantage. And I'm guilty of that, and I will talk about it. So I'm trying to narrow. I've been saying this for going on a year now. I'm trying to narrow down my bags, and I've had some success, but not the success I need to narrow them down. And you ride the waves of crypto and narrative to narrative, and it's always changing. It's AI coins, then it's gaming coins, then it's meme coins, and then it's one meme coin only. And then we got a confused market. We have meme coins that are AI agents or AI meme coins. It's getting crazy out here. And where's the utility? Where's the change? Where's the value? I mean, the real value. And the big money that's going to be coming in, they're going to be looking for value. I mean, we're going to have some degens come in.
Yay! We hear you can make $1 million in crypto. Let's throw our money in.
Let's play the meme game. And I think everything will do well, but I do think they will be focusing on more of the important things, and especially things that are more tied to centralized ideas. As much as the old school, crypto guys don't like that, and I'm one of those. I'm all for the decentralization and open source and everything. But a lot of these real world asset plays tied to these banks, because I know we got some great decentralized layer 2s and this and that going on out here, and other layer 1s and stuff, but you know what, the ones that really matter to them are the ones that they control. And you see a very slick example going on with Coinbase and the base chain, and how they're able to extract value from Ethereum as a layer 2. I mean, it's very unique. Which opens the door for the discussion of, now we realize there's a way for them to actually suck value out of these decentralized projects. That's something to start thinking about. here we go. Let's take a look and see what you guys are the thing. I got my pencil, I got my notepad, and I'm ready to start writing them coins, man. Would you eat a fellow chicken? It depends on how cute she is. Was that a question for me? One more pop and I'm narrowing down the bags. For real, for real. I feel you there. Hey, Sean. Get to it, Sean. Don't be a duck. He says, don't be a duck, Sean. A quacker? I got it. I know what this says. Hell yeah, that's awesome, Road Dog. I wish I remember what we were talking about, but I want to be excited too. So, did I eat good? I actually did eat good today. I had steak. And then I had some greasy Waffle House for lunch. That's actually good though. Haven't done that in a while. Ron K says, I'm here for Road Dog TA, and I can't see what's behind, and dollars. Dollar sign. Chris Con says, there's a big move coming on the 18th. That's 4 days away. That would be awesome. They're overdue. All right, let me scroll through here. Do I see anything? Hey, is my button working tonight? It's not been working for a while. Why don't you work? Why don't you work? Sometimes you work, sometimes you don't. Is it? It's a mood thing. Is it? Does it go with the moon? Does it with moon cycles? Is it? I mean, you know, I need to know when you're going to work so I can press you. That's why you're there. You have a purpose. Let me help you fulfill your purpose in life, button. Sometimes you have to talk to these things and they start working. I found, or you hit them, which is what's going to happen if you don't start working. I'm just foreshadowing. It's called foreshadowing, button. You about to get bitch slapped. I'm just saying, politely. Yeah, let them know who's boss there. Hey, what's up, peoples? Okay, so let's see, when can we check Solana? I got a list for Solana. Road Dog stream my guide in life. Master plan with every trade. Fortune mine now well displayed. Anything about me 205? Okay. There we go. There's some. XRP, HBAR, etc. Or XTC. OM is a beast. I was hoping she's going to come down and I was going to get her cheaper because I've got my orders down. And I looked and I'm like, oh man, you hit all my sell orders. And I'm like, well, now you out of my range. Like that. So I thought I'd wait for her to come back down. She's been a nice performer. I wish I'd went heavier, but that bag's it's doing all right. I can't complain. You're at 763. My goodness. Nice. So am I taking profits here? Oh crap! I quit taking profits. Pardon me just a moment, fellas. I got my OM bags are banging right now. I gotta layer out some stuff here. Oops. That's a ticket. I'm so sorry, but she looks kinda bullish, and what goes up always goes down, so it's always good to sell on the way up, I've found. Easier said than actually done, but hey, experience is where you have all the fun. Ladies and gentlemen, shall we go to the charts and take a look at Solana before this music makes me just weird. Solana in this channel. Okay, so here on the weekly, how we doing?
dog, show me a better way. Late nights never led me astray. Jackpot, baby, making gains. Dreams come true, feel the rain. Hit the target.
9 is still over the 21. That's a little bearish, but we might be able to shake it off. That's where I'm seeing the resistance that might be coming in between right around 218 to 220 in that area. So on the daily, we respected 200 moving average, and that's good. We're just now reclaimed the 9, so we got a thumbs up there. So she's ready to try. She's ready to try to do something. So that's a promising sign. We'll check the 4 hour and see how well she's liking it. But she appears like she's about to reclaim that. But there's still 20 hours for this candle to confirm. It's a new candle. Could easily turn into just a big wick down here. So you can't front run this idea. We can look on the 4 hour and check that out. But here, our next target would be that 21 moving average. That would take us about 210 there. And you're looking about 205, and that would be one of the Fibonacci lines I've got there, but an area of resistance, but I think we can get higher. We've got a we got confirmation? Why'd I put confirmation instead of measure move? Coming down to the 4 hour. Oh, okay, confirmation. Yeah, if this is your dingle dangle, you got to come up to the hip bone or whatever, to the neckline, they say. And don't ask me how that works. If you got a dingle dangle and 2 dangles and 2 other, I can't. I'm trying to paint the picture of what's going on here, and I just can't imagine it. Every time I start, and then I start seeing goat movies. This is a goat. These are teats. I can prove it right here. I'm just saying. Ladies and gentlemen, he's flipped off his lid. He's flipped off his lid. He's going to do some stupid stuff. Squirt, 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 squirt. Get some bigger hands. Squirt, squirt. Squirt, squirt. It's like goat teeth or something. I don't know what's going on there, but it's some kind of bottom. It needs to be a bottom. Let me move my hands out of the way. We can always draw a trend line to see if we got a nice little break at and possible retest idea going here. Bouncing off of the 9 moving average on the 4 hour time frame, which is possibly getting ready to, but has not yet done it. Don't get too ambitious, but it could be. Let it be a foreboding shadow of something that's to come. The 9 moving average actually daring to cross over that 50, believe it or not. Yeah. Just drew that line and said, yo. This song should be available on Amazon, Alexa, all that crap. I think you have to search by Road Dog Crypto because going by the names doesn't seem to work yet. Anyway. Can we bounce there and then go up here? Well, certainly, most certainly we can, and that would be knocking at your 205 target. I see the 205. I see it in the future. We should really reach for 220 though. It's like 420, but it's 200 short. She said, hold out together, I'll take you to the moon. But I ain't buying her Ponzi loves my bubble to crew. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, this is one big giant green That's impressive right there. Put it on the Christmas tree candles. Yeah, look at that. Look. Actually, there's 2 of them. I don't really know what's going on there. That is quite impressive. Woo! We go to the pubic bone and then we'll go straight up to the very tip there. And that's that can't be real. That's not real. That's fake. That's latex. That's gotta be, that can't be real. That's not right. OM. What you doing? So it looks like OM is finally breaking out of this channel idea that we got, and she says, hey, screw your channel, man. I got places to go, baby. I got people to see. I'm going to take this trend line and I'm going to realign to paint a new scene. So this area that we went past here, $6.91, and that will now be an area of support that we can look at. Because it sure didn't act as resistance, did it? Just said, screw you, road dog. Oh man, before I move that, I should have, I can still do it back here. We can still get him as you move from right here. Just go straight down. Put it at the old breakout. We got a measure move that's suggesting, and this sounds crazy. I know it does sound crazy. It's just, listen, it's not me saying it. It's the freaking measure move saying it, okay? But that's where we're at. At least I don't say, oh, let me drag it over here. Or book maps target. I don't know. $9.63 is our measured move. Could we look for a little confluence? I believe we could. I think it's due a little confluence. Check out me extensions and see what we got up there. 3618. That's ambitious. That is ambitious, I gotta say. But you know, all this time I thought you were just a shower because you did pretty good, but now I find out you're just like a serious grower. That's that'll make the girls go crazy right there. Oh, I bet there are any girls in the OEM, they got smiles on their face right now looking at that. They're tingling all over. I bet. I'm tingling all over looking at it right now too. My bags be all excited and happy. They're looking very satisfied. Keep it up, baby. Keep it up. Don't stop. Don't stop. This show's getting weird. I'm sorry. It's a late night show. Sean, go to commercial. Let's take a look at XDC. That sounds like ecstasy. XDC. XDC is XDC. What is it? XDC network. XDC mainnet. How are you doing? Well, we've looked at you before, my friend. What have you done since we've seen you last? So you went south of the border there, took a little trip down south. Came back rather quick, didn't you? Yeah, you didn't stay down there very long. Did you drink the water? Is that what happened? Did you get that diarrhea and had to go take care of it real quick? You run pinching, you're like, oh, there was no toilet paper in here. Oh, did that happen? I know that feeling, and it looks like what's happened. I have pity for you. But I see you're not shy to leave your bottom hanging out here. And that kind of roundy bottom. And that's usually a welcome sight there, those rounded bottoms. Why, they some neck of the woods where they say rounded bottoms pay the bills. Now they wear fur-lined hats, carry these big jewel-lined walking sticks, and wear high-heel boots and things. Fuzzy jackets and whatnot. Kind of stylish. But that's what they say, no less. Nice little breakout from this wishy-washy kind of area here with these little spikes. We got nothing but hope that maybe we will continue this zigzag pattern to the upside. It's about 11 cents. Oh, good Lord. Somebody changed the music. It's making him weird. He's freaking him out. 200 moving average on the 4 hours. Also a nice little target there, about 10 cents, 10.7. She's doing nice. Actually, I mean, looking at this on the moving averages, this is great. We got the 200 up here. It just crossed over the 100. The 9 crossed over that. The other two, the 21 and the 50 are following suit. It'll take a little time for them to get up there. But not only is it crossed over the 100, it's also crossed that 360. That's a bigger one, and that's cool. That means it's putting the bigger ones, I mean, they're in order. The bigger ones, moving averages are in order, and that gives us a really good chance, a really good probability to come up to the 200 and hopefully go a little extra. What we got to do, and I don't see it doing it all in one sweep. It's not going to be one big move, more than likely not. But you'll have a correction and everything, but eventually come up to here at 12.8. Confirm this other possible bigger Adam and Eve formation. I don't know if that would count as much, but that's still an area over here, and even over here, at the 12.8. That's 618 Fibonacci. Those are the areas that we will be gradually trying to get back up to. And your bigger picture, I mean, yeah, you've had a breakout for a while. It's just been a lackluster one from the channel or pattern that we had here, the trend line, the main trend line. You've had a breakout for a while. She's just been lackluster, even with some volume. And there was a lot of selling volume going on here, and it held. They're really trying to drive it all the way down, but it held. So this one's got some strength and enough to make it bounce back. And when we see these ribbons flip, we will more than likely be out of the storm. If you're trying to look for Elliott wave theory, it looks like we did our ABC correction. Do you agree, Elliott? You think you can go down further, huh? Elliott thinks that maybe she can go down to a little further. This was the ABC. Oh no, you hit the C. You hit it. No, Elliott says he hit it. So if it fulfills Elliott's requirements, yeah, okay. So then this should be the start of our new, our new wave 1, 2, up and down, zigzag, 3 humps in the dump. We're starting to see a little turnaround on some of these altcoins, and that's good. We want to start, these are the signs we want to start seeing, and not just expect it just to come out of nowhere. We got to start seeing how things build up and start swaying and flowing in the market. And these are some good signs for altcoins overall. Did we look at total 3 and all that tonight? We were talking about the banana, or the curvature and stuff in that, I believe. We were just drawing it out. I believe it was this one. But yeah, this weekend looks kind of nice for altcoins, but there will be some resistance as we kind of come back up here a little bit. So we got $934 billion in altcoins right now, give or take, roughly. And we can get about another 30 billion. So watching this, I think, is a good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make sure that I'm taking some profits when I start seeing us get closer to this bigger. Let's color you orange. This orange trend line, the orange line there, because that we could be doing a bearish retest. And if we're not, then aren't we just lucky, man? You finally decided to do it. It'd be nice if this is a big fake out and then there's moonshots, but that's a little hopium. You got to remember, this can be a top pattern right over here. What happened here, and we're just retesting it and coming down. It's got to keep it real. That's what the TA says. So up, and you can de-risk a little bit through what's going to happen. But a lot of people are going to say, this is it, we're going to the moon. And maybe, I mean, there's a small chance that, yeah, maybe we are, and we are due for it. We are due for something a little bit more bullish, because the altcoins have been plummeted. They've been punished. And like a little spring, you can hope that they pop. But we're not seeing quite the volume that we need come in here. I'd like to see some more volume and push this up. But my plan is as we get closer to the orange line, just I want to make sure I'm safe in case there's a bigger drop and we come down here, and I want to have something ready for it. And if by chance the things just keep going off, well, then I'm like, well, I'll feel more comfortable about trying to build my bag as the price goes higher, because it's easy for me to build a bigger bag as the price goes up with spot margin. Don't get carried away. The SPX, the Standard & Poor 500, them Wall Street suits and all that stuff. Yeah, they're having good days too. They're all that bearish talk being nothing. That thing's ready to pop. It's ready to keep on going. And Bitcoin dominance continues to come down, but it's at our point of support. So I'm watching this area where I got a white line just to see what it does. It's not the strongest line in the world. I should probably make it a dotted line. I'll do that. Give it some gaps so it can slip through, because I don't want impedance coming down, because the more it comes down and Bitcoin just kind of goes stable or even continues going up, altcoins will start rocking and rolling, and that will be cool. We want that. We want Bitcoin dominance to come down, and for Bitcoin to either level out or, you know, maybe even start going up too. But dominance comes down, and that means more money for our altcoins, and we might see that little flush out and get a big short squeeze going on here in altcoins. But that's a little. That's that might be that hopium talking. I'm just saying, it might be that hopium talking. But that's some good stuff, though, ain't it? Ooh, I like it though. Do it. I dare you to double dog dare you. Have a fever, and the only cure is cowbell. The Echelon says, "Thank you, Road Dog. Thank you. I can almost afford the Footsie fan club. We'll get you there, baby. You just hold on. We'll get you there. It's all right. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to get you up to where you can afford to pay me $2,499 a month so that you can get my charts, my little hand-drawn artistic charts with my feet pointing to the price target. Yeah, worth every dollar per month. Ballers only. Ballers only. I bet we'll get you there. Just keep watching. Keep hanging out. I'll get you there. Jim Derringer, it'd be nice to have a crypto weekend that isn't a slow bleed, wouldn't it, though? That will come, and that's what we're looking for. That's the sign that I'm looking for, because that's when you start noticing retail come in, when it starts getting really more excited on the weekend, when it starts getting more exciting to trade on the weekend than it is during the middle of the week. It's like, man, I can't wait till this week. I'm going to sell this weekend. I mean, it's almost like, it's like everybody gets off work and decides they want to trade crypto and be weekend crypto traders or something. It's that phase of the market. It's toward the end. But it's a gradual process, and it's kind of cool when you see it unfold. So that's what I want to kind of draw your attention to, that as it unfolds this time. Based on the market cap before anything happens, it looks like Mantra might be trying another permanent player. Might be another permanent player in the space. I've been making that they're going to be, so I've been working that bag, trying to get that one all set up. It and Sui seem to be doing pretty good. Now, Sui being on discount, not a bad place to start DCAing into Sui, because it could, you might see $30 Sui. Just got through the door after a 5-day Disney vacation with the kids. Oh my gosh, you're wiped out. I bet you are. That would be taxing. Oh, you did the luau and all that stuff too. The Polynesian resort part. That was fun. John Frisbee says, Peppy. Let's check out Peppy. Oh, look. Turn out the lights. Woo! So it starts out as a little kind of stiletto heel shape. That's what we call it when we first start seeing it. And then matures into a possible. It still has not confirmed for an Adam and Eve yet. It's still not confirmed. But that's a nice little idea. And she didn't play out as perfect. She came down and double tapped you. Did you go lower? Ooh. Got them biggest stiletto heels come all the way. Yeah. With a curled toe. So that's cool. We're eventually making higher highs and higher lows. And we just follow the trend line. Because breaking that trend line would mean, hey man, you got your stop loss below there, man. Hope it's in profit, dude. And that's good, because we just kind of make a little channel idea and we just kind of bounce off of that, put it on top of that candle there. Candle body. And we go ups and downs until we start reclaiming other ground that we lost, like this other red trend line area. Look toward these moving average areas, especially up here. What is that? 1549 and 1682? They're flipped in the right way. Oh yeah, that could pull us back up. Pappy might be a slow grind to get back up there, but that'd be a nice 62% to get back up to that area. Nice. Somebody says Pendle. Pendle's been doing pretty good too. I've been building my bag slowly again since. She's saying some good signs here. So she's got a breakout. Actually got the breakout confirmed. So if you're looking at this on the 4 hour and like, oh, you happen to pop in and like we're doing now, because I wasn't looking for this. I didn't have an alert set. I'm not playing it that way. I'm playing in a different kind of way, but I can still utilize this to my advantage. So I'm like, it is a good time for me to actually add some. Anywhere from 355 to 372, adding through there if that can fit within my plan. And it does. It does fit within mine. So anywhere from where we are now to down here in that range, I'm cool. I'm cool with FOMO-ing because I've got a longer term play going on. And if we got a breakout from this for Pendle, I mean, just your standard measure move. Measure move has a possibility to take us up to about 510, 511 area. Look over to the left and you see that corresponds with this area that we kind of had some arguments going on there. Had a little disruption there. A little domestic dispute going on. Had to call the cops over, kind of sort it out. Grandma went to jail again. Unit 9, we have a head and shoulders in place. No, this one's going to be bloody. You better send out the hearse. Send out the coroner. So, that was back here. Don't get scared. It's actually looking good now, but hey, Pendle. I had some orders there. How you doing, Pendle? You're making me check my bags now. We got 25 people hanging out. We got win some or lose some. Can't tell where we were. What was the peak there? Oh, we had 34 until I said something boring, and then it dropped. Oh, you can't please them all. You can't please them all. What else we got? We got so I like Pendle. I like what it's doing. It looks nice and juicy there. And woo-wee. Trying to flip that ribbon, are we? She's trying. She's trying. You still got a trend line that's forming here where you get the majority of your touches. May not be the perfect trend line. You got this little thing over here that always throws things off. V-shape recovery, whatever. But if it breaks this trend line, you know, hey man, this idea might have changed. But as long as we respect these trend lines, oh, you're on it. And this one can help you short term, but it's this one right here that we're really concerned about keeping that one. And hopefully breaking out of this whole little zone. What zone is that? This little channel idea. This invisible channel that nobody can see. It's like an invisible rabbit that lives in your closet or something. What? Where's the foot? Hi. You guys are just trying to get me to show you my feet again. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I'm not falling for it again. I'll keep my turkey feet covered because you guys you would freak out. They're the sexiest turkey feet you've ever seen. The sexiest turkey feet you've ever seen. Very bigly sexy. U.S. markets closed on Monday for President Day. Let's see what the market makers do. I know. So I think it'll be. That means that Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be interesting. And I think on the 19th, we've got some kind of. We got the Fed, the meeting, the minute meetings or the meeting minutes, and that's where the market just freaks out, or usually freaks out when a memo comes out, or hey, this is what he said last week that you guys already heard, but now it's on paper, and then we go, oh, sell. I don't. The market makers just, whatever reason they've got to run their little game, they run that game, man. A little flush out game. They always try that. Everywhere, not just in crypto. It's everywhere. They nasty. MD Motorsport says, thanks for your MA class, Road Dog. I didn't catch it all, but I've taken some of the thoughts and just watched to see how it plays out. Yeah, just check it out. You just start noticing, yeah, there's a dance to it. There's a sequence. And mathematically, you think about it, I mean, yeah, you're I mean, it's not random price. It does go in an order, a sequential order in price, either up or down. So, says I'm learning. Cool. All we do is we just keep adding tools to our tool box that make sense to us, and test them out and see how well they work for us and help us out. Find the right ones, put together our little pot of stew, if you're cooking analogy, you know, we were doing a little special in the kitchen, always see what we got now, Captain. Oh, that's a fine piece of rib right there. Let's throw it in there. Throw a little of this and that. We make up something nice that works for us that we like. Our little, dang, that's on fire. You ain't getting none of this. It's all mine. No, get it and share it. Let everybody else see. Inspire them to make their own. Nice to see XRP starting to bounce back. Is she starting to bounce back? XRP sounds like an Ignovian chant. She is confirmed. Or she's completed. She's not broken out of this pattern, but that's what we're waiting for all the altcoins. This is what we're waiting for. This XRP led the way, man. That was a steep one, man. Look at that. You thought that other one had a big dingle dangle. Wait till we see this one. I could probably go. That's not the pubic. You cheating. No. Where we was at 314. It came down 43. That's not real. That's not real. You know that's not real. That's camera angles or something. That's not real. There's no way that's real. Anyway, 43% drop there. When it bounced back up, it came up 54%. Wow. They really did. We're going for a nice big flush out down to 177. I think they attained their goal. All right, so we made the atom of the Adam and Eve pattern, and this is the neckline. For whatever reason it's called that. You hear me argue that all the time. I'm going to keep arguing that. Well, that's just stupid. You're talking about a bottom, and then you're putting a neck. And then I'm sorry, but then you have to question, well, then why is this an atom? And what's it doing over here if that's a neck? And then the story goes off in your head and you're like, oh my God, I'm so ashamed of myself for even thinking such a thing. What happened there? And if that's not enough, sometimes they don't break out. I've heard said they say they break out 90% of the time. And I say, nay. And I say, Lucy, you remember Lucy, don't you? You remember the 666 moving average? Yeah, not everybody uses her, but I do because the market respects her quite a bit. And on the 800 moving average there, well, that's a bearish cross that we just got. So chances of us breaking out are a little slim, or if we do, we're probably she's going to slam our ass right back down because this is what Lucy does. Lucy, the little devil girl. Yeah. That's what she do right there. She'll bust your bubble. Show them one more time, Lucy. Show them what you do. Yeah. She'll throw that price right down. Mm-hmm. That little devil girl sitting right up there. Right underneath all this chicken scratch and blue I have. That's my prediction, but we're on the 1 hour. We're on the 1 hour. That's what the indicators say. Stochastics are bending down. There's a little bit, but she could recover from whatever's going on there. So above the 9 moving average, that's cool. I would say she would be coming back down about that's not very much. The 274, 275 coming. Oh, just coming down 5 cents. We're on the freaking 1 hour time frame. What you look like over here, darling, on where it counts on the daily. 9 moving average is down here about 250. So, ooh, we got a little range because we can always go back to the 9. We always could, but MACD, Ma D, oh MACD, Aunt MACD. She just came to the party and she's bringing the goods and she's saying, "Party's on, boys. Did you miss me?" And you hear the booze bottles rattling in her purse. You know it's going to be a good party when she shows up like that because she's half lit anyway. You were just having an innocent prom party after Bible study. You weren't expecting it to start getting funky with the disco ball, but Mom MacD has some different plans for you. She's about ready to rock your world, son. They say she was a flapper in the old days. She's a little on the wild side. So it's fun at parties, though. Don't want to get on her bad side, though. She be just as mean. So XRP, we're coming up back to about 290. Looks like we might be able to hit it up that way. We'll probably get a little retracement and then a little pump up. We got some things to work out these moving averages. So I see a little range action coming here, but she's got a nice pump going today. Very nice, very nice. For me, myself, and what I do, I will be coming up to these areas over here at our last high, and I will be limiting some orders out in a pyramidal type fashion with the bigger numbers here and slightly smaller numbers there and smaller numbers here and smaller numbers here. If I can find a slick way, I might do the 4, 3, 2, 1 strategy, where that would help me with $400 here, $300 here, $200 here, and $100 here, or 40, 30, 20, and that would evenly distribute me my $100 or $1,000. That's just me, though, because I'm looking at things in the bigger trend line and some ideas there. And I like getting paid, and I hadn't been getting paid enough, and I'm planning on changing that. And if we're up 20% from these bottoms here, go up into the 40 and 50%, I can get a nice little thing out of something like that. Kind of offset some stuff. Could you check out Altura? How's it been doing? She is testing the 800 moving average on this particular time frame, and it's an oddball time frame. This is a 6 hour. Let's see what the daily's doing.
When the market's turning demon shout, reach for
6 times 4.
and cast them out. Evil flees in utter fright.
4 times 2 is 8. Now, if we're on the 6 hour time frame, this 800 moving average. So why do they use them weirdos moving averages, man? Nobody uses them. Because they help you see into the bigger time frames without being in the bigger time frames. This 800 moving average on the 6 hour is the same as the 200 on the daily. There, if you see that. So we're expecting the daily 200 moving average. That's good, hopefully. And hopefully this 5 moving average is going to do a U-turn here. And she might get pulled over by this red line. That happens sometimes. So, whoop, whoop. You did an illegal U-turn. Write a ticket, come down, and then they'll speed off and come back over here to the 100, get on the interstate, and just be gone with it. Say, screw you, copper. It's okay. The feds won't come in until we start crossing state lines over here about 16 cents, but we're nowhere near there. We can go Dukes of Hazzard style right here. Here's a nice sign for you. Here's a little bit of opium. Now, Ma Bell, she's on her way to the party. She's not here quite yet. Party's already probably started, as you can see, but she's getting ready to show up, and you might want to wait till she actually walks in the door before you see what kind of flavor gummy she's brought this time. But it looks like she's getting ready to go over that zero line and cross here. That'd be some great signs. That'd be the confirmations that we need. But hey man, whew, we're probably clear. So I'd like to see it get above the 9-moving average, and for that little flip to happen on the MACD on the daily, and then it's like, hey man, just jump in anytime. You're probably going to catch some of this move as it starts going back up to 16 cents. That's not bad from here. She'll probably stumble around 9-10 cents, and that's a nice place of psychological resistance. Not to mention that was the same place that they stumbled and found that support over here. And then continue back up because her next agenda is to ultimately make a higher high somewhere above 18 cents. That's the mission, darling. You either pass or fail. Ain't no turning back now, baby. You've already pushed it. It's time to perform. And so that's what we got going on here. Unlocks it. Let's go out. Let's do something. If this is your bottom, then I must see you get above 8.4 cents if you're really going to compete in this race. This is what you must do to qualify. You must at least supersede this area. I know you may not attempt it, you may not succeed on your first attempt, but that is okay. You must endure, you must collect yourself again, and you must try it once more. Perhaps on the second time you can do it. If not, try again. But let's be ambitious and let's be hopeful, and let's say that yes, Arturo, you can do this. You got this, baby. I see you working out, baby. You're looking good. You're starting to look good. You're starting to round out really nice. I'm just saying. Shut up and let the guy who's talking. This is a voice of encouragement, not of the sick. The what? The sick. What the hell is he saying? Anyway, she can be coming up. If she finds some support here, she can continue forward. And we can just step our way to glory, lordies and gentlemen. Lords and gentlemen, lords and gentle ladies, queens of the Niles and the Ambrosia Fields. 13 cents, can you happen for me, baby? Can you make it happen? I think you can. I'm starting to crave some fried peanut butter, bacon, and banana sandwiches. I'm just saying, I'm just got a hankering, and I don't know. I like a little bit of butter and maybe some just a good old fashioned lard. Yeah. I don't know. I got the munchies for some reason. Tell me why that happens. So I like what we're seeing, but the most important thing is she's got to pass the test here at 8.5. I got faith in you. You can do it. You can do it. Chief and Keith says, nice to see XRP starting to bounce back. It's nice to see a lot of these coins starting to bounce back. How long have we been going? 108? 108. There is no news tonight as Layer G does not, I think they're on a different day schedule. I think they're a day ahead or however that works. Chief and Keith says the Polynesian was spectacular. Yeah, that was awesome. Thick, crispy strips. What are you talking about? Did I miss one? I got one with HB, and it looks like an I, but I think that I wrote it down wrong. I bet that's H bar. That's probably H bar. I'm sure it's H bar. Man, my writing is getting very scribbly as I get older. H bar was still doing. Oh, you're the one with drawing the big old banana on. Let's go down to the 4 hour so we can inspect this banana. Above the 9-moving average, the moving average is starting to close in on the 50. 9 close in on the 50, getting ready to make a move on the older one right there. I see that might be a felony in some areas, but I don't know. It's going to cross over, and then price is going to run right from that shit because that's just nasty. That's the news for H bar. So we're in the range, man. We'll be going up and down, I think, and within the range. I might get lucky and get up about 25 cents. I don't know if it's going to hold. She might spike back down and catch her back at 22. Play this little range. You got what? What's your percentage average here? 14%. Do a little range trading in there. A little leverage. May get lucky. May catch it when she starts to pop. Try that. slow accumulation, 20, somewhere around 22, 23 cents. Let's check out XCN Onyx Coin. That was the fun time. This is the not so fun time. She is. Are you trying to lose the 200 moving average? What's going on with that? Hey. Now she did it one other time. It looked like this and looked a lot worse, but she popped back up. She liked to do that. You like to go on the wild side. You like to sneak out of the house and do some nasty stuff, don't you? Onyx, what are you doing, lady? What are you doing when you do that? You're sneaking out and you're coming back through the window or something. What's up with that? You may need some counseling. I'm just saying, you need Jesus. What? Let's zoom out and see what she's doing. Let's go to the daily. Yeah. Whoa, what was that? What was going on over here? This was previous price. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. We just found some previous price history when it was up to a dime. This thing has been sitting at a penny. And 2 pennies. Clearly, anywhere under 2.5 cents is the sweet spot to be accumulating this. That's what the Fibonacci's are saying. Now, I've come to trust my Fibonacci's because I've just found that my Fibonacci's are like Shakira's hips. They just don't lie. But that's just me in my little universe. Ooh, didn't quite make that 0.5 up there. This is 6.6 cents. 0.066 cents. Will be a nice area where we will probably get another bump up there and then reject it if we are fortunate enough. After we kind of figure out where we're going to bottom out as we correct. If you were looking at the Elliott wave theory, you would be looking at an ABC correction trying to play out here, I believe. Elliott, what do you say, darling? Well, technically, you've already played out. You just coming down double dipping? Are you on a downward trend? Don't be downward trending on me. Don't be doing that. You made a higher low here. You need to be upward trending. So we got a trend line here we'll follow. We got a little bit of a support resistance flip-flop going on there. It's off the angle just a little bit, but hey, we're just trying to look and see what we can find. For top resistance is what we should really be looking for right now. We've already broke out of a trend line angle here, and now we flip-flopped onto that. That's always fun. I mean, it's really fun. So we'll tighten this little guy up from basically candle body to candle bodies there. And you can play this idea. We can take that to the wick or to the candle bodies. The candle bodies seem to be holding more weight. Because that seems to be some resistance, and we can measure up there. I mean, we're just kind of stepping up. So it's got to break out, and it's kind of lackluster. It's probably going to make a bottoming. Hopefully a double bottom pattern. It needs a support here on the 200 moving average. I think it may be trying to. Let's go down to the smaller time frames. Ooh, you need to do it quick. You need to do it quick. I don't know. She could be losing it. She could be losing it, dipping down a little bit. Maybe coming back down for an 886 retracement. That'd be interesting. Don't know for sure. She's just showing some signs that she may be looking at these areas, and that could be here. So we might come back and see that, hey man, she's down to 1.9 cents, or maybe down to just right under 2.21, just right under 2.1, 2.09, 0.02, 0.0209. Man, decimals get so frustrating. Articulating decimals. It's the articulation. Lucy, are you still up there? See, you just can't control her. She's got a mind of her own. She's going to do what she's going to do. I'm just saying. Jimmy Durkin says, so many people bought at 3 and then sold below 2. Oof, yeah, that happens a lot. It's chasing them green candles. Hoodlin says, what I miss? I had an ETH alert go off. Indigent trade of 75x leverage. Ooh. Let's see. Where can we go? Coinbase. Well, yeah, Coinbase has a good chart for Ethereum. She's doing like all the other altcoins, and possible Adam and Eve type bottom is what it looks like it's trying to do. It's not confirmed yet, but some traders are going to wait for a confirmation. Some are that patient to do it. Some of the more conservative traders will be waiting for that. Then, some of the rest of us, some of us are trying to play the bottoms. Like, I'll risk it. If that's what it's trying to do, let's play that idea. Guilty. I mean, damn, put that pattern to work, right? Uh-oh. Did we just mess that up? That was not cool, dude. Why'd you do that? What about the old banana? If this is the banana, then what's this over here? See? This pattern just gives that's just no. Let's take a look at Caspa. Boom chicka bow bow, yeah. A boom chicka boom. Nice randing going on over here. She's up to 10.7 cents. That's cool. Kind of pissed at Caspa. She was very hard for me to play, and then my exchange delisted her on spot margin, and there's another one that sometimes I've been in the spot margin place for too long and something happens with the exchange with them, or you have to get forced off and exchange something. But it's never fun to have a position forced to be closed, especially when they're down here around 9 cents. So now I've just got a spot bag of Caspa. I do still have it. But what the hell are you doing, Caspa? So we lost this stuff over here is this is not important anymore at the moment. And now we're starting to look at this as our downward channel that we seem to be liking to stay around and come back and revisit. That would be nice if we can break up and go up there. It'd be 61% gains to get back to about that 17, almost 18 cent area. Could happen. See a lot of resistance coming in around 13.5 cents. You got the band flipped upside down, the bigger moving averages, so we got to fight through that. They can act as some resistance when they're upside down like that. Trying to think of any examples we've had. Don't have any yet. So I guess this is our first time dealing with that with Caspa, at least on this time frame. Is there any bullish? There is some bullish divergence there. Let's zoom out. You got anything on the daily? Got a little bit. Maybe we can get that pump up. Breaking that trend line sucked. I mean, but we gave her some wiggle room because she broke this one over here and kind of did it in a weird way. Actually, right here looks good. I wonder if we can hit that. Can we hit that? Could we possibly hit 14 cents? I think she could peak there and then fall back down to about this 8 cents area or something. 10 cent, probably 8 to 10 cents, something there before she pumps up again. It's just rounding up on the top. Now, what I found with a lot of these rounded tops, a lot of people are afraid of them. I kind of like them. They're just boring though. But what I find is that they come back about the areas where she's at now. She doesn't have to. It doesn't have to do it right now. But we'll watch it. I mean, there's some hopeful ideas that from here, when they do this, that well, this is it, and then they're ready. They blast off. She might come back down and do a partial decline. It means touch this area one more time somewhere close to there and then decide to go for the blast off. So that's the ideas that I'm looking at for Caspa there. So it's got the reverse banana. I know what you need, Caspa. I know exactly what you need, baby. I know. I got you. I got you right here. Here you go. We'll put it right here just to kind of remind you. We want you to go up that way. Here. Don't point it at me. You point it right up here. Point it to the sky. You can do it. You go, Casper. Yay. Yeah, you can do it. You just lost your self-confidence. You're okay, Casper. You're okay. You can do it.
Crypto market, I ride the tide. Crypto patterns, they come and go. Stay ahead, let the market flow. By the dips of the peak, don't hesitate. In the crypto market.
Going through the chat here. Rishi John, how's it going? Good to see you. Is it too late for you to take a look at ticker Bitcoin, that old coin? Oh, that one. I guess we have to do it. A lot of them it's listed as Harry.
In the crypto market, I navigate. In the digital realm, I'm the king. Trade patterns, my everything. Crypto patterns, they come and go. In the crypto market, I glow.
Oh, she bounced off of our little blue lines right there. The little support resistance areas there. Coolio. So that's at the bottom. She might come back down here to those areas. That's a possibility. Let's see. Nice little scallop shapes on the way down. That's always cool. What's the cool? It's cool. Look, it's a cup and handle. Look, it's not a cup and handle. Look, it's a cup and handle. Look, it's not a cup and handle. Look, it's a cup and handle. Look, it's not a cup and handle. They're fun that way. So right now we're right butt up against that 236 Fibonacci from this pull here. This high to this low. Fibonacci, swing high to swing low. Tell me where price is it going to go. Got some nice targets, especially up through here, 16, 17 cents, holding up through 20 to 21. This whole little range is juicy, coming right back up to these areas. It needs to make a higher high, and so our higher high target.
Where the profits are made, bullish and bearish, the market's mood, stay alert, the game is never subdued.
Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put me a moon target up there at 37.2 cents. I know it sounds crazy right now, but at one day that will be our actually a retest of this other high. That is a bit of the moon target there. The most juicy ones I see is about 17 to 19 right here in that area, and then about 26 cents. And from where we are now to there, 60 to 80 to 146% gains just to get up to 26 cents. She may double bottom. It may about double bottom. It may not. It may just come down a little bit to about 9.5 cents, and then it just needs to get out of this level. 11.3. Clear that. Start working on 13.5, and then start moving slowly towards 17. Look for resistance along any trend lines you might encounter, and tells us that really the next most reasonable target short term, other than 11.3, be 13.6. Will probably come up there, get rejected, come back to 11, bounce around, try to do something. The band is flipped though, so that's kind of bearish. So her coming up here anytime real soon is not on the picture according to the moving averages. I'm just saying that. The fibs say it's a possibility. The moving averages saying, nah, not right now. Not right now, it's not. Maybe in a week, maybe something like that, maybe. But right now, no, it's not happening. That's just what they're saying. Just like that, too. Let's make that line red. I got to color code my line so I know what's going on when I come back to the charts. Otherwise, I'm like, what does that mean? That'd be nice, breaking back above that 13.6. She can get above it and hold it. That's bullish. She can come up here to 21. Yeah, they're right. Trying to warn you about that Caspa. That Caspa's that's a bore. Meme coins destroyed that one, I think. I didn't lock the meme coins coming out anyway. I was not sold on that idea. So the stable coin, there was rumors of them putting stable coin, putting Tether over there. That would have. Then you got a cheap way to move your Tether and store your Tether. That would have done it. No, we want to go make useless meme coins. Ooh, look, we can make pump.fun type meme coins. Yay! I mean, that was cool. Reese John, we did look at XRP earlier. You sent a super chat. Thank you very much for doing that. Let me come back up there and acknowledge that. Give it a lot. I need XRP at 275 today. What do you think? Somebody else was thinking it was going to get to like 250, 254 or something like that. And I do remember thinking it could hit up somewhere close to 280. So I think it's possible. We'll take another quick look over here. Oh yeah, because I was laying out how I'm playing it. Because I'll be having me some layered take profit orders just all the way up. I'm funnel caking it. We're doing that Tennessee tornado. So we're coming up here on the 4 hour. You're coming up on the 200 moving average, and so she's getting some resistance. So now that's we're already at 278. Has that happened since you answered the question that we were working our way up there and then I missed it? And then, I don't know. She got up here to 280. 280. Nice. Making a little bit of a top pattern here on smaller time frames. Whenever they are smaller time frames. I need XRP at 275 today. Oh, you needed to come down to 275? She seems like she's wanting to come back down and tuck to this 200 moving average. I think I'm behind on the conversation, and that'd be the 618. She might get it. I look more at the 0.5s and the 382s anymore. If we're on an upward trend, that's what I'm looking for now. That means I'm willing to keep it going. There's a taco zone for Strega. There's our main trend line. So she could come back and touch the bottom of it, or not even come back and touch the bottom of it at all. So that's kind of what I'll see. She's on a 50 moving average. I'm on the 6-minute time frame, small time frame. And she's made a top pattern, which may have met his measure move and find it support on the 50, or she may lose it here in a minute. The market cipher's saying, baby, I'm ready to pop you up there. So let's see what happens. Let's take a look at Doge.
Rules said chill, but I went mad. Should've used stop loss, but I'm bad. FOMO ate my strategy alive. Now I watch my balance nosedive. Market makers see me cry while whales laugh and say goodbye. Just yesterday I had a plan. Today I'm just one broken man. Where'd the cash go? I need it back. Leverage, don't you cut no slack. Do people really get rich this way, or am I the sucker cursed today?
Looking at divergence, not really seeing nothing extraordinary there. Did I do that? We got 3 humps and probably a dump, so it looks like it's working on an ABC correction. Let's turn Elliot on. Elliot! Oh, you're doing something. I was looking even smaller. Elliot thinks we're on the 4th and going up for a 5th. I was talking about this little wave here. I guess it's too big. They got waves within waves, but this one looks like it's going through ABC. So she might be coming back to 27.5, or maybe get a nice bounce off of 27.7. That's fractions of a penny of a difference between those two at this point. But I am on a 6-minute time frame. But she seems to be coming up here. Could do a double top. That's what Elliot says. But, or honestly, it could keep going. Back up to 30. When you zoom out. Oh, look. Zoom out and you see that nice little rounding shape that's going on here.
Sammy's got his charts held high, eyes fixed on the crypto sky.
So thanks for working on a 4. Interesting.
Patterns drawn with hands so bold, dreaming about that mighty gold.
Kiliao says, what is a road dog? Well, a road dog is that person that you take on that trip that's been down that road before. That person that's not going to leave you stranded, we're going to be there for you, pouring out the sights that are worth seeing and the places that aren't worth going, but it's that trusted friend that you want to go on that road trip with you. You know, they've been there before, they're experienced, and you can hang out with them. They ride with you. Road dogs ride with you. I'm your road dog. I'm riding with you, baby. That's a road dog. Only we look like turkeys. You guys love turkey. I don't know. You like turkey. What's the turkey to do?
Zoom in closer, won't you see? Guidelines are his enemy. Crypto skies are filled with dreams. Sammy's lost in all the schemes. Fails to grasp the rules they set. Chasing glory, that's the bet. They call me Sammy, up and handy. Gonna rise up, call it dandy. Charts and swagger, I'm the man. Gonna make it, that's the plan.
Take a look and say. Getting some rejection here at the 382 fib. Quite normal. It's okay.
Sammy's lost in all the schemes. Fails to grasp the rules they set. Chasing glory, that's the bet. They call me Sammy, up and handy. Gonna rise up, call it dandy. Charts and swagger, I'm the man. Gonna make it, that's the plan.
Before Bitcoin, Litecoin, don't get me bitten. Hooked on beans, chunks of meat, catching spittin'. Hauling coins tight, one hand's a mitten, other hand's got a spicy treat, straight finger licking. Charts and candles, night turns to morning. Ice-tired tacos on deck, never boring. Crypto rising, falling, hard to live life, but the quack.
John Reese, thank you for a super chat. Hope I gave you your answers on XRP there. Troy Graham, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Oh, Reese said you needed to come down. It looks like it's going to come down. I don't know if it'll hit your that exact target, but right close to it. So I'd watch it carefully. I'd keep your stop losses set in case she wants to pop up on you. It looks like it's an ABC correction, and then she'll be ready to go up. So did we get anywhere on say? We got these targets on say. We got to get above 24. But I'm looking at 31 and 32 short term. Long term, we want it to go right back up to where it was before, about 70 cents. What you need to be doing, say, if that's your real name, you need to be giving us a breakout over here. You need to straighten up, say. I'm just saying. Jimmy Darrett, your $5 super chat. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. So, RPL, JTO, XYO. Let's go take a look at them. Well, I just saw this over here, confirmed red dot, or green dot. It's been going for a little bit though, hasn't it? I'm on the 3-day, yeah, it's still low.
Dreams come true, feel the rain, hit the target, bullseye shot. Oh, it ought to what I got. Hawkeyes in a turkey mask, road dogs wisdom up to the task. Dark arts like magic spells. In this game I excel. Fibonacci's secret code. Cracking trends on the road. RSI and MACD flare. Got me walking on air. Jackpot, baby, making gains. Dreams come true, feel the rain. Hit the target, bullseye shot. Oh, it ought to what I got. Market watch through the night. Road dog stream, I got it light. Master plan with every trade. Fortune mine now well displayed.
So this is RPL, it's on Binance. I'm not really sure what it is. It does have a bottom signal in though, that I like. So for a swing trade or a longer term trade, because it's at a bottom area right here, anywhere $4, anywhere under 18 technically is a steal for this thing in the coming months. We can narrow it down here. And she's still in the juicy buy zone.
Market watch through the night. Road dog stream, I got in light. Master plan with every trade. Fortune mine now well displayed.
And anywhere below 880 is a good place to get this one. She's starting to get above the 9-moving average. It's on the 3-day chart. I'm on a bigger chart. Just getting a bigger picture here. But a target about 1869. 34.50, $52, and even up as far as 81. And but you got to break out of a channel. That's got a measured move there. Once we confirm a breakout, and that can take us, just depending, it could take us between $35 to $40 there. Then you've also got this channel idea. Whenever it breaks out from this one, wherever that might be, I could tell us that we could be coming back to 48, so we got to wait for those. But the Fibonacci's has also got some great targets there. Come down to the 4 hour just to see what it's doing on the short term. And she's been facing some resistance there with the 800 moving average. Short term looks like it's going to be struggling for a little bit, but it is trying, making a higher high. Made a higher high than here. It needs to make a higher low and start working its way up there. So she'll be struggling here on the 4 hours. You got a breakout of this. Might come down and retest it at 670. It could. Don't know if it will, but accumulating anywhere through here would be, it's going to have a much bigger payoff, much bigger payday. And I like it. I like the way it looks for a bigger term play, because that's where you can make your gains, right? So even where we're at $8 or $9 now, you double up when we go here at our first target, 18. You can moonbag it there. Take out a portion of it, smaller than the moon. I don't know, however you want to do it. And then by the time we go to the second target, it's 3x. You got 292% gains. By the time we get to the third target, 490% gains. And then we still got another moon target. It's going to be about 900% gains. So that's what I see on that. For a bigger picture play, how I think it's cool to play it. And you got bullish divergence. You got some good signs going on. She's going to be struggling for a little bit, but then that's what we can expect over, say, the next month or two, couple of months. We'll take a picture of this, put it over into the setup room here. This is RPO. All right, we posted that one over there. Let's take a look at JTO. So I got this here about 463 and 495. That one's been here. That one can stay. And then for a shorter term target, we got about 392 that we can be. That's what we're more than likely going to head up to.
You're a guru in this crypto dance, but your financial tips don't stand a chance. Caught in the rush, you can't advance. Scamming on people, what a cruel romance.
It's a nice little flip. Nice little flip floppy. A floppity flip of the flippening kind. And now we can try to play this guy. Could be better, but it's workable for right now. Well, it's got something. Okay, we got it. It's there. It's okay. She might have to come back and before she breaks out, but we're working on trying to get set up for a nice little breakout. Look at the shoulder head and double-headed shoulder heads. It's a oh my god. It's a coin join head. It's CoinJoin twin with a shoulder, a big head, a little head, and another big shoulder. Got little eyeballs, a little smiley face, and then they got another one. Smiley face. It's the mutant head and shoulder pattern, ladies and gentlemen, to the upside. Let's go. It'd be nice to find support. We found support off of this line in this red channel here. We head up to the top of it. Fibonacci say, let's do it, baby. I like this one over here, too. It might take a while to get this to 464, but that one's definitely on my radar to get hit. Let's copy this image and put it this as JTO.
Keep this crypto engine running in a major way. Turkey face shining bright in the camera light, giving crypto alpha, keeping the future in sight. Funds flowing in keeps the channel alive. With every new donation, the dream thrives. Buy me wallets, yeah, with every single click. Gotta keep this hustle moving, gotta do it quick. Swinging through the charts where the masses flare. Send the super chats, baby. Show me that you care.
Yeah, let's take a look at XYO.
Yeah, with every single click. Gotta keep this hustle moving, gotta do it quick. Swinging through the charts where the masses flare. Send the super chats, baby. Show me that you care.
Guess we'll do the Coinbase one. I guess we've done the Coinbase one before. Still kind of in that range idea. Betwixt the fibs.
Riding high on the crypto wave.
We're going between the 786 and that's probably the 6. Is that 618?
Late nights never led me astray.
No, 382. Let's move you up just a little. Oh, Raw, are you what were you? I would put you here.
Road dogs wisdom up to the task. Dark arts like magic spells.
Let's get this one up to date.
Fibonacci secret code. Cracking trends on the road. RSI and MACD flare got me walking on air. Jackpot baby making gains.
Don't know that we need to come back down to here at what is that? Just a little under 14 cents. We don't need to. They might, but it doesn't need to. She's cleared that area a couple of times before. That doesn't. We got this. We lost that. So then we go to here. Technically, we could go from here to there.
Master plan with every trade. Fortune line now well displayed.
So watching a new janky trend line, don't know if it's going to hold well, how well it'll hold or not. It looks like it's got some influence here, but let's see if maybe if she does drop down, maybe it's just only going to be about this far, just 0.016 cents, but can come back down to these lower areas. It might, and not a bad thing. It's not a horrible thing, but it really needs to make a higher high than this over here. It really needs to come up to about 3 cents. But otherwise, I really see this as being more of a range. McDonald's pattern. Jim Dodger says, I hope it goes a little bit lower. I want to open a juicy long on RPL. Just I think this is a great place to, anywhere through here. A DCA strategy or just having to catch it when it, catches, gets a level of support. But the 9 crossed the 21 on the daily, so coming back down to about $7.79, $7.80, somewhere through there. But the 21 is at $7.67. If it happens to come back down through there, I think that might be one of the last times it does it for a minute, because I think it could be headed up to $12 and stuff from there. 12, 13, 14, all those other targets. 12 definitely in the picture for resistance. So we've been going for an hour and 50 minutes. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin and see how she's doing on these tiny time frames. Got us all excited today, and now they're kind of lackluster. ABC corrections, what it looks like here. Elliot, what do you say? You suck, Elliot. Oh, you got a bigger AB. Oh, wow, Elliot. You think we're going to come down to 95, 96.6? That's why nobody wants to hang out with you, Elliot. That's why nobody invites you to the party, because you say you can talk all this downer stuff. I mean, I'm just saying. Come on, Elliot. I spy with my little eye some support around 97,300. I also spy with my little eye some support somewhere around this area of 97. Look at this nice little dingle green dot that we got confirmed here a couple of candles ago. One candle ago. It's now confirmed on this move. Market suffer size we're about to go to the moon, or at least try to go up. Moving averages say you're gonna have to work for it, baby. You're gonna have to work for it. You're gonna have to work for it. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you tomorrow. Trade carefully this weekend. They do like to play with us. If they run us up on the Friday, they probably will dump us on the, well, since the markets are closed on, they may play with us this weekend. They may get us all, they may run us down tomorrow and then start running us up on Sunday and Monday and then crash us on Tuesday when the market's open. The market makers and the whales, there are a bunch of games, lots of manipulation going on right now. Taking very small nibbles is never a bad strategy, I don't think. Seems like that corner keeps getting further and further, but we're close to the corner. So it's right around here somewhere, honey. Stop and ask for directions. No, we can do it. Just keep on walking. Come on, it's right over here. Well, just ask somebody. Why we always gotta stop? It is. It's right around the corner, though. I swear to God, somewhere around here. That little market is going to, the Moon Boy market is right around here somewhere. And especially for Bitcoin. But things do look like they might get interesting this week for altcoins. We might get some little pumpy pumps. I recommend that you take advantage of what you can and try to collect some of the new hot token that I think, the hot token that I'm kind of looking at that I need to collect right now is USDC and also USDT. Those are kind of high for me right now. That's what I figured out. I need to start working on building a bag of those because I don't have enough of a big bag on that one. That's the one I've been kind of slacking on lately, is that USDT Tether coin. I need to start working on that. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's go listen to some weird new music. We feeling bluesy today.
Traders don't sleep, they chase the sun. With each tick, their hearts are one. Candlesticks in rhythm play. Where will profits soar today? Sharp like a hawk in flight, charts revealing day and night. Gamble here and take a stand. Fibonacci, guide my hand. Swing high, swing low, swing low. Tell me where price is gonna go. Swing low, swing low. To buy Fibonacci, show me the way. Numbers twist like like sacred tale, riding waves on fortune's sail. Up and down the markets roar. Fibonacci, what's in store?
Ma'am, do you have a fungal infection? I see you scratching a lot. Are you feeling kind of it? Do you need some cream? I'm sure somebody would help you apply it to the applicable areas that you were scratching. She's got the jiggles.
To buy Fibonacci, show me the way.
I'm a crypto connoisseur, but I'm also a degenerate, chasing shit coins with a reckless abandon. I'm a slave to the hype, a prisoner to the pump. I'm a gambler, a high roller, but I'm also a dump. I'm a master of the market, but I'm also a fool. I'm a chess player, but I'm also a pawn in a game that's cruel. I'm a trader, a speculator, a risk taker, a thief. I'm a crypto cowboy riding the Wild West with my eyes on the chief. I'm chasing shit coins with a reckless abandon. I'm a degenerate with a crypto obsession. I'm a slave to the hype, a prisoner to the pump. I'm a gambler, a high roller, but I'm also a dump.
Did he say he's a duck?
I'm a master of the art of buying and selling high. I'm a virtuoso of the crypto game, but I'm also a liar. I'm a magician with the wave of my hand. I'm a conjurer of wealth, but I'm also a thief in a land. I'm a kingpin of the crypto scene. I'm a mogul of the digital dream, but I'm also a pawn in a game that's rigged. I'm a player in a game that's fixed, and I'm getting jigged. I'm chasing shit coins with a reckless abandon. I'm a degenerate with a crypto obsession. I'm a slave to the hype, a prisoner to the pump. I'm a gambler, a high roller, but I'm also a dump. I'm a crypto junkie with a bad habit to break. I'm a slave to the high of the crypto make. I'm a degenerate with a problem to face. I'm a gambler with a losing pace. So if you see me with my eyes on the screen, don't be fooled by my hype, it's just a crypto dream. I'm chasing shit coins with a reckless delight, but I'm also a degenerate with a losing fight.
One, two, three. Traders don't sleep, they chase the sun. With each tick, their hearts are one. Candlesticks in rhythm play. Where will profits soar today? Eyes sharp like a hawk in flight, charts revealing day and night. Gamble here and take a stand, Fibonacci guide my hand. Swing high, swing high, swing low. show me the way. Numbers twist like sacred tale, riding waves on fortune's sail. Up and down the markets roar, Fibonacci, what's in store? Trades like whispers in the storm, patterns shift to brand new form. Old predictions bright as day, Fibonacci show the way. Swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low. Tell me where price is gonna go. Swing low, swing high, swing high. Tell me where I need to buy. Fibonacci, show me the way.
Bitcoin was soaring high. We thought it touched the sky. Now it's crashing down. We're asking how and why. I'm pissed as hell. Altcoins in a dive. Our wallets barely survive. Hoping for a miracle for the bull to arrive. He late, he late. Who broke the market? I wanna know. Who broke the market? There goes my portfolio. Every time we rise, they pull us down low. Who broke the market? I wanna know. I wanna know. I wanna know. Charts are looking red. Dreams of gains are dead. Once we were kings, now I feel like a fool instead. A fool instead. Wake up in the night, cold sweats. Check the screen, no wins, just debts. I'm trapped inside this crypto trade. Only getting poorer when I should've got paid. I should've got paid, got paid. Who broke the market? I wanna know. Who broke the market? There goes my portfolio. Every time we rise, they pull us down low. Who broke the market? I wanna know. I wanna know. I wanna know.
Workers grind from dusk to dawn, mining grit their hearts carved from stone. Machines hum a smoky song. Who will rise and who'll be gone? Eyes locked like gears in place. Numbers spin a tireless race. Bet the house with hands of bronze. Patterns guide me toward the dawn. Swing high, swing low. and chase the time. Fortune's hammer hits with might. Will the spark ignite tonight? In the forge of hope and strife, every bolt a chance at life. Echoes of a clanging beat. Will I land upon my feet? Swing high, swing low. Tell me where the profits go. Swing low, swing high, swing high.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to get off of here, but you know, I might be coming back for just a dance party, just to let some music play. Because I got lots of it. I need to sort through it. I may do that and do it online. Guys, thanks for hanging out with the stream. Yeah, may see me back in a minute with something that looks just like this.
With each tick, their hearts are one.